Hi guys, welcome back to another part of Core Java tutorial. In this part we are going to learn about what are the different types of functions or methods available in Java. A function or method can be classified into four categories based on the presence or absence of the return type and arguments. Based on this, methods or functions in Java are classified into four categories. First one is function with return type and arguments. Second one is function without return type and arguments. Third one is function with return type and without arguments. And final one is function without return type and with arguments. Okay, here is the function with the return type and arguments. Here is an example that show a function that has arguments also a return type. Here you can see that a function name called sum is declared here. Here the return type of function is int, that means the function will return an integer value, and also here two arguments are present, int and two integer arguments are present. So that's why here I declare two integer variable int x and int y. Also you can see that finally after getting result, the result is returned here. That means we using a return statement, return result here. If the return value is a float one, then you must define the return type as float. Okay, this is an example that demonstrates a function with a return type and arguments. You can see here arguments, actual arguments is present, also a return type is also present. That's why this is an example for function with a return type and arguments. Now here another example that show a function without return type and arguments. A function without return type means the return type is void. You can see here return type is void and there is no arguments present. That means here you can see that the function body is blank here because there is no arguments present for this function. Here I declare three variables x, y and result. I assign two values for x and y here and find out the result. Also there is no return statement is present here because the return type is void here. That's why I print the result here. Now this is an example for function without a return type and with the arguments. That means here the return type is void. Also you can see that arguments is present here. Also I find out the result and I print the result here because the return type here is void. You can see arguments are present here. Okay, now here is an example that demonstrates a function with the return type and without arguments. With the return type you can see that instead of void it is int. This is because this function return an integer value, and here there is no arguments are present here. Here I declare three variables x, y and result. I assigning two value for x and y. Find out sum of x and y and assign it into result. Now return result because here is the return type is integer. That's why I return an integer value here. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for getting further video updates. The next part I will explain the functions are different types and different classifications of function with a complete working example. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part of this tutorial.